Today we're going to look at the Glock 23 Gen 4. This is an Austrian-made Glock. It was purchased in 2013. It comes with with three standard capacity 13-round magazines. These are Gen 4 magazines. You can tell by the additional cut here in the magazine for the the magazine release, which is located here. You can switch out from this side to that side if you happen to be left-handed. It's a very, very reliable gun. The 40 caliber bullet is a little snappy. It's got a little more punch. The 40 caliber, I think, is pretty much preferred by police agencies in the United States. It's a good all-around round. It's not bad. This gun is the big brother of the Glock 19 Gen 4. They're virtually identical in size and in appearance. However, you can tell that the barrel is definitely larger. And the recoil spring is probably a little bit lighter as to handle the reduced power of the 9mm round. This is a very good gun too. Okay, to take this thing apart, what we have to do is make sure that it's unloaded. Let's remove the magazine. No bullets are in there. Pull the slide back. I don't see anything shiny or brass looking. So that looks good. We want to pull our slide back slightly. Pull these two tabs down with our fingers on that side and this side at the same time. Go forward, pull the trigger, and off it comes. Very simple. We take our spring out like that. It's a captured double spring. This is a 033, which is the second edition of the spring. The original spring they replaced because they had some problems with reliability. That was before I bought mine, and I've never had any issues. So the Glock knows what they're doing. Move our barrel like that. As you can see, it's a heavier and thicker barrel than the 9mm. And this is our slide. It's all steel, and our trigger mechanism is located in here. Okay, let's take a look at the box it comes with. This is a red box, which means it is for civilian use in the United States. A blue box would be for police or government use. There is no noticeable difference that I've been able to detect between a police blue box gun and a red box gun. I mean, they're identical as far as I'm concerned. Okay, comes with two additional magazines, a loader, a cleaning rod, a brush right there, and it came with several back straps. For some odd reason, I only seem to have one. And it came with this pin and disassembly tool in there. It also comes with a lock, which I can't find. I don't know what I did with it, and I never use it because I lock my guns up in a very, very safe. This is a warning, instructions. Never read them. I don't know. I'm pretty safe with a gun. So. Right, put that away, and we'll get to cleaning the gun. Put that over here. First thing we want to do is get our ballistol. I'm going to put a little bit down the barrel. And there we go. Got it nice and clean. Good. Get our spring. Get that. Okay. Get that soak in real good. Move our magazine over here. And we're going to get the action. And I'm going to get along the slide. And the face of the striker there. Okay, we'll let that sit in for a minute. Take our semi-clean, dirty sock here, and we're going to take our dirty toothbrush, and we're going to see if we can get some dirt out of this thing. Let's get some, get along the rails. Now, ballistol is a wonderful cleaner, lubricator, protectant, rust inhibitor. It is a great product. I understand it is vegetable based. However, you do not want to consume that. I understand it's highly toxic. It also acts at a molecular level against rust because it is actually alkaline, as in rust is actually acidic. So it's battling rust at that level, which is good to know. You know, some guns just have a tendency to rust. I don't know. I've seen it. I can't explain it, but Ballistol seems to help it. Let's take our toothbrush over here. Let's do that. Get all these metal parts. The receiver itself is mostly polymer. It weighs practically nothing. I mean, you know, it's like really light. And there's some metal parts here, which I have never taken apart and probably never will. Take out these pins in here, and I think the whole thing just kind of pops out. You know, that's it's amazing. I'm not a gunsmith, but you know, I've never had the need to. I get it pretty clean the way I clean it. So put that in there. Get our cleanest part of our dirty sock here, and see what we can find out, or what we can get out actually. And it's all looking good. The thing about a Glock is they're extremely reliable. It's like the AK-47 of the pistol world. They are really good stuff here. Let's take our brush. Let's go down the barrel, clean that. I don't think I've ever used it. Let's see what we can find here. Okay, going the way of the bullet. Go like that. So get some dirt out of there. Some dirt on my fingers. Must be getting something off of there. Oh, yeah, it's looking pretty good. Let's put a patch down that. Got one right here. Let's remove the brush. Come up with. Put our patch in here. Again, going the path of the bullet. That's pretty clean. Yep, that's looking very good. Let's see what we got here. Can you see that? Let me take a look. Oh yeah, that's really clean. We're doing good there. Okay, we'll put this aside, and I think we'll get the spring here. Let's see if we get the dirt out of there. Again, we're going to look for the cleanest part of our dirty sock. And that's looking good. Get the Ballistol off our magazine. And I think we're going to see if we can get some latent Ballistol here. And so we get the striker face where the firing pin's at. Take a little rem oil and put some shots along the rails. Just a little bit. Goes a long way. And too much will actually attract dirt to the area. Okay. I'm going to put the slide back together, drop our barrel in, quite simple. Take our barrel, put it in the hole, goes in like that, slides in. Take our spring, put it in here like that. There's a groove cut into the barrel notch right there. We'll put this part in here, barrel notch in there, and you can see where it's caught and ready for use. Okay, take our receiver, put put it to match that. The rails. I can do it. Not how I normally do it. Put the rails like that. Push it back. And the gun is fully assembled. Put our magazine in. And we're ready for business. That's how you disassemble and clean a Glock 23 Gen 4. Okay, this is the Glock 23